Welcome to the Severn Valley Railway. Welcome to this wonderful event to set off all our celebrations for the Queen's Jubilee.
The Platinum Jubilee weekend. And as the SVR's world-famous purple locomotive was officially renamed as No.70 Elizabeth II, you could see very clearly how much people want to see this unusual heritage engine.
Yet when the idea was first announced, it was called outrageous, ridiculous and plain stupid. We really were taking a brave step in painting a locomotive purple, and it might not work.
It's a very controversial move to decide to repaint a loco. You know how precious people are about the heritage and keeping it correct. So yeah, it was a huge step.
Michael, whose idea was it to paint this purple?
It was mine. I'm responsible. I'm the person to blame for ruffling a few feathers at the Severn Valley Railway.
Will you say the person to blame or the person to actually say a big thank you to?
Well, maybe. I think who we've got to thank are our volunteers, Ronan O'Brien, who painted the locomotive himself, and all of the massive community effort that's gone into the railway. That was the main idea behind it. Yes, doing something special and making a splash, but actually getting the community involved and having a huge community engagement across the Severn Valley Railway was absolutely perfect.
We did get a bit of stick, didn't we?
We did, definitely. It's a bit of a Marmite thing, but people are certainly loving it now. They're getting involved. I mean, the crowds now, there's so many people around me, there's so many people on the platform. It's just fantastic.
You always doubt a decision like this. It was quite a big decision to make, and everybody was kind of for it and then thinking, are we doing the right thing? But when you see the reaction, the majority of the public reaction was positive, and we just stuck with it.
And it's certainly bringing the crowds in. I mean, what are we seeing here today?
Surrounded by people, it's just fantastic. And as I said, it's wonderful that people are choosing to spend their time with us on this Jubilee weekend, because they've got all kinds of things that they could be going to, and they're choosing to spend their time with us, and that means a lot to us at the Severn Valley Railway.
So what were your reactions when the SVR first approached you about this?
I thought it was a great idea, I think, Mark.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Largely because it seemed like a great chance to celebrate the Jubilee and the Queen's 70th year on the throne. Also, it was a great opportunity to be able to do something for the Valley, which we have a long association with the railway, and we're very pleased to be able to create this kind of event. And finally, we actually thought it'd be a lot of fun.
Well, it's certainly that. Mark, what do you make of the reaction this has caused in the wider world?
I'm just really pleased. I mean, one of the things that we were thinking, to get the kind of press coverage nationally that this has achieved, just draws people's attention to the Valley, to the heritage railway industry, and hopefully gets lots of people to come up here and visit.
Earlier that morning, No.70 was being prepped at Jubilee under the watchful eye of the TV cameras. Hours of attention to get it ready. Business as usual, really, except, well, for the obvious.
Oh, it's great. It's something to look forward to, really, and best thing that's happened for a few years now, especially with the COVID and everything else. It's wonderful.
What do you think about this, well, some people have said mad idea of painting it purple? How does that sit with you?
I'm not too bothered with it. I think it's a good idea, as long as it eventually goes back to what it should be in the future.
Absolutely amazing. I haven't been a fireman for very long. This is my 5th day firing today. It's an absolute privilege to be on here on such a special day.
It's a relief. It feels like having a baby. It's 9 months in the making. We started this project 9 months ago, and it's fantastic to see that it's actually here, and everyone is just enthralled.
The colour, it's incredible.
Absolutely beautiful.
It really was so stunning, so bright, and I think we've got a gorgeous day for just seeing that bright popping purple.
You've done a great job getting her painted and getting her sorted. Really beautiful.
Do you think we're mad to do something like this?
Absolutely not.
No.
I think it's perfect. Just perfect.
Yeah, I think you've got a lot of people from a lot of places, not just the locals like we are, but you've had people from all over the country come in. So no, you're not mad.
Everyone who visits says you've got to see the purple loco in person. Photos and videos just don't do it justice. Elizabeth II will run on selected days throughout the summer. Check social media and the SVR website for details. And remember, it won't be like this for long.